Hello, this is Jack Tompkins. Okay, this right here is a giant duct. What we're going to do with this duct is chop it into many little pieces so that we can get it out of here easily. We are going to send all of the metal after moving this fan out this hole and up there, all the way up there, and that is our plan. That is our plan. It's simple really how we're going to do this. Essentially we're going to get some stuff that can cut steel and chop it up. An example would be a couple of the following. This is a sawzall. I don't know what that is. This is a clippy thingy that I don't know what it is. A hammer and a giant screwdriver. And finally, my favorite, giant crowbar.
It's mine too.
It's Mike's favorite too.
Use it as a cane.
This is Pimp Cane.
Back start, I heard.
It's starting. We're chopping it up. Oh my goodness! And we ate it all. Thank you for watching.
Absolutely no one knows me better. No one that can make me feel so good. How do we stay so long together when everybody said we never would? And just when I start to think they're right, the love has died.